Imagine waking up to find that while you slept, your bank account grew. No endless hours of grinding, no constant stress, just money flowing in passively. This isn't a fairy tale or some late-night infomercial gimmick. It's the reality for people who are using artificial intelligence to make money online. You don't need to be a tech expert, and you don't need a huge budget to start. In this video, I'll walk you through step-by-step how you can use AI to generate income streams, from content creation to e-commerce and beyond. So get ready, because by the end, you'll have everything you need to start making money with AI today. In today's world, AI is reshaping industries left and right. It's creating opportunities that never existed before. But you might be wondering, how can I make money with AI? And is it even possible without being a tech expert? The short answer is yes, it's possible. In this video, we'll explore exactly how you can get started. From tools that write, create, and automate to AI-driven business ideas you can start today. You'll leave with actionable steps you can take to start seeing results. And best of all, most of these strategies require little to no upfront cost. Let's take a look at where it all begins. Let me tell you a quick story. Just a few years ago, AI felt like a distant future. I knew someone, let's call him Alex, who was fascinated by AI. At first, he didn't see how it could help him make money. But that was before he realized that AI could be a business partner. It could work around the clock, even when he couldn't. He started small, experimenting with AI tools for writing and marketing. Within a few months, Alex was making more than he ever thought possible. He wasn't a programmer or a tech genius, just a regular person like you or me. And today, we're going to walk through those same steps so you can start your own AI-powered journey. Method 1. AI-powered content creation and freelance writing. Let's start with one of the most popular and accessible ways to make money online with AI, content creation. Creating high-quality content has always been a valuable skill, but not everyone is a writer. That's where AI tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, and WriteSonic come in. These tools allow you to generate engaging articles, blog posts, social media content, and even ebooks in minutes. Here's how you can use these tools to make money. Freelance writing services with AI. You can offer freelance writing services on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or Freelancer. You don't have to be a professional writer. The AI does most of the heavy lifting. All you need to do is input the top, customize the content, and deliver it to your clients. Blogging and affiliate marketing. If you've ever thought about starting a blog, AI makes it easier than ever. Use AI to create high-quality, SEO-friendly blog posts that attract readers. Monetize your blog with affiliate links, ads, or sponsored posts to generate income. Creating and selling ebooks. Another creative option is to use AI to write ebooks, then sell them on platforms like Amazon Kindle or Gumroad. You can generate an entire ebook in hours, even if you're not a natural writer. These methods have helped people earn anywhere from a few hundred to thousands of dollars a month, depending on the time and effort they put in. So if you enjoy writing, or even if you don't, AI can help you turn this skill into a profitable. Method 2. AI-powered social media management. Social media is another massive opportunity for making money with AI. Brands, businesses, and influencers are constantly in need of engaging content, and they're willing to pay for it. Here's how you can step in and offer value with AI-powered social media services. Automated content creation. Tools like Lately, Missing Letter, and Canva use AI to create eye-catching posts and graphics for social media. With these tools, you can create social media content quickly and easily, even if you're not a designer. Scheduling and analytics. AI-driven platforms like Hootsuite and Buffer allow you to schedule posts in advance and track their performance. Offer social media management as a service to clients, handling everything from content creation to posting. Engagement and chatbots. With AI chatbots like ManyChat or MobileMonkey, you can set up automated responses for clients' social media pages. This allows you to manage interactions, answer FAQs, and keep followers engaged around the clock. Social media management with AI is in high demand, and it's a service you can offer to multiple clients. And the best part, you're leveraging AI, so you don't need to spend hours on manual work. Method 3. AI-powered e-commerce and dropshipping. E-commerce is booming, and AI is making it easier than ever to succeed in this space. With AI tools, you can start an online store, find profitable products, and even automate marketing. Here's how. Product research and selection. Use AI tools like AlgoPix or Oberlo to analyze product trends and find items with high demand. This saves you hours of manual research and increases your chances of finding winning products. Personalized marketing. AI-driven platforms like Shopify Kit and Beacons AI personalize your marketing for each visitor. By targeting specific customer behaviors, you can increase sales and reduce ad spending. Automated customer service. AI chatbots can handle customer questions, order tracking, and support inquiries. This frees up your time and improves the shopping experience for customers. With AI, you can run a profitable e-commerce store without needing a huge team. From product sourcing to marketing, AI handles the hard work, so you can focus on growing your business. Method 4, AI in stock trading and investing. If you're interested in the stock market or investing, AI offers tools that can help you make smarter decisions. Platforms like Trade Ideas, Alpaca, and MetaTrader use AI to analyze data and predict market trends. Here's how you can use AI in stock trading. Algorithmic trading bots. With trading bots, you can automate your trades based on real-time market data. These bots buy and sell on your behalf based on the parameters you set. Investment analysis. AI tools analyze past data to provide predictions and insights for stocks, crypto, or Forex. Use these insights to make data-driven investment decisions. Portfolio management. Apps like Wealthfront and Betterment use AI to manage your portfolio. They adjust your investments based on your goals and market conditions. While stock trading always carries risk, AI tools can help you make informed decisions and increase your chances of success. Method 5, AI-powered graphic design and digital art. For those with a creative side, AI is transforming graphic design and digital art. You no longer need to be a designer to create stunning visuals. AI can help you. AI art generators use tools like DALL-E and ArtBreeder to generate high-quality digital art. Sell your creations on sites like Etsy, Redbubble, or as NFTs on OpenSea. Graphic design services. Platforms like Canva and Crello use AI to create professional quality graphics. Offer services like logo design, social media graphics, or ad banners. Video creation with AI. AI tools like Lumen 5 allow you to create engaging videos with minimal effort. Use this to create content for clients or monetize your own YouTube channel. These AI tools make it possible to offer creative services without years of design experience. There you have it, 5 proven ways to make money online using AI. From content creation to stock trading, there's an opportunity for everyone. AI isn't just for tech geniuses. It's for anyone willing to learn and experiment. So, which of these methods will you try first? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more AI content. Remember, the future of making money online is changing, and AI is at the forefront. Start today and let AI help you build your next income stream.